Okay, okay. All platforms. Okay, my volume. My volume is high. Can you guys hear me okay? Is my volume good enough? I need to make sure everything is set. Then we kickstart. We already kickstarted. I just want to make sure the feedback from sound, video sound, everything. You guys let me know if everything is okay. You guys let me know if everything is okay. Okay. My volume is okay. All right. Let's get Instagram on. Some people are sleeping. We live in a very, very busy world. Okay. I appreciate that a lot of people are busy. They're not here today, and they may not even know, but they really want to be here, but they may not know because the time frame we actually set today is not within our normal time frame. We normally use 2 or 5 or 6, but 3 is actually a time where a lot of people, they're doing a lot of things. So the best thing you can do for someone who's within your corner or your environment is just notify them. Oh, there's a call going on right now. It's free, so we should get everyone. We should be able to make sure everyone. Sorry, I'm getting Instagram live just to help those that are here get notified about this and get jump on. Boom. Okay. So while we get started, while we are on, I need everybody. We like doing this whenever we're having a call. It's gonna almost look like we're setting you up today. So I'm gonna be telling you the categories of things we're gonna be taking care of today. Okay, but I want you to, everyone who's on this call right now, let us know where you're joining this call from. Okay, what's your name, where you're joining this call from, and yeah, that's what's your name, where you're joining this call, and if you happen to be, this is your first time, let us know this is your first time. Let's just get it on the chat right now. Let's make sure we're doing that right now. Okay, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be amazing. One of the things you're going to get from this call is that you're going to have the right idea of what high frequency trading is all about and how you can take advantage of this amazing spot on skill. And I'm going to give you a brief history about my journey in the high frequency environment and how it has made me sitting on this chair talking to you right now as Ken Remote, and how much it has really affected the lives of people. I'm also going to tell you the disadvantages of not understanding what this means, and how it has actually affected lots of people without them understanding why. I mean, if you're interested, so I am. Okay, put I am in the chat. So we have Aisha Trinidad, first time. Okay, Lex, you're joining from where? Okay, I am Okikiola from Ogun State. This is my first time. Amazing. You're welcome. Marilyn Barbados. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Just keep dropping it on the chat. We're excited. We're excited to have you. Owen Kennex from PH City. Come on, let's go. Drop it on the chat. Drop it. When you drop it like this, I'm excited that you're on the score right about now. The excitement, the goal is to be happy. If you're not happy right now, something is not right. And I understand you have to make it right. St. Vincent, Barbados, amazing. You're welcome on the call. Let's go. We have, see, you guys drop it on the chat. I'd like to know where you're joining from. Clinton Uniben, you're welcome on this call. Henry Lagos, you're welcome on this call. South Africa represented. Come on, let's go. Drop it. I should have more people. I want to touch different. Tracy Antigua, come on, let's go. You're welcome on this call. Drop it. Okay, drop it. Just a moment. Beautiful. So let me just give you a hint of the things you're going to be learning. I need you to just write this down. I'll pull up my white paper. Okay, so what are the things you're going to learn in the course of this call? So some of you are new, some of you are already experts, some of you already have a brief idea. Okay, a brief idea. I don't think we actually need the whiteboard. There are a few things we're just covering. So probably three things we're covering today. Okay, trading is part of them. Most of you like trading. When you hear high frequency trading live with Ken Remote, boom, some of you have already loaded your broker. You want to come and make money. True or true? All right, how many of you are ready to make money right now? Put dollar signs on the chat. You're already ready to kickstart. You want to make money? Put dollar signs on the chat. Okay. Yeah, I got data state on the call, Prako, Lagos. Come on, let's go. So I hope I'm not being too fast. Okay. I know some of you already ready to make a whole. Yeah. What's up, son? How you doing? Okay. All right. So, beautiful. So I know some of you already have an idea of what high frequency trading is all about. And you're ready. You've already been trading with me. We have some students here. We have some connected, students, within this space as well. Then we have some amazing individuals that are curious, that was invited, that saw this notification and was just curious to hop on this call to see what this is all about. I promise you that one of the things we want to do over the course of these 2 days is to take care of everyone. How many of you are excited about that? We want to take care of everyone. And the best way of actually earning is to earn basic. A lot of people are earning complicated today and they can't keep it, they can't retain it. Okay. But if you learn to earn basic, it's actually simple. So we promise you, we're going to go basics. The most important thing is the how. I need everybody to write how. Okay. We're going to go through the how. We're going to go through the what. We're going to go through the when of high frequency trading. So, but a brief history about me is my name is Ken Vrimo. I'm based in Lagos State. I am a Forex coach and a life coach. And I came into the industry of Forex trading in 2018. And I started my journey of going back to the shame of not understanding what Forex was all about. I was among those shameful individuals that thought Forex was a crap, was a joke. Okay. And I'm super sorry for that history right now because I live this stuff. I live it right now. Okay. I live it. I live the Forex life right now. But before 2018, I used to be a persecutor of people who, if you happen to be a Forex trader, I'll be your friend just for the purpose of discouraging you. That's how bad I was. But in 2018, I got exposed to a company called iMarket Live at that time. And I learned the skill set of trading. I met some amazing individuals, coaches, mentors that guided me through this environment. And over a course of 2 years, I mastered the skill of not just trading, but trading a particular kind of Forex, which is called binary option. So high frequency Forex trading is also called binary option. Okay, is the high pace of trading. So is the kind of trading you're going to trade and make money per time. So we're going to get into that, but let me just give you the brief history because so much you like this kind of talk. All right. So because at the end of the day, this is important because a lot of people don't understand that when you have an opportunity to learn, it's not what you learn, it's who you learn that is really that matters a lot. Don't forget this statement I said. Okay, who you learn. So I am a coach today because I learned people. So we're going to come into that. You guys may just be opportune for me to share maybe a light on that before the end of this call that probably would happen maybe in the space of an hour or maybe an hour, 15 or 30 minutes. So in 2 years, which means in the year 2020, I actually became the first African educator for this company. All right. And I'm sharing this detail right now. Ken, why would you be sharing your own details with this? No. I'm sharing this for a reason. If you're here to learn a skill, learn people. But before picking or choosing to learn people, let them have a proof of what you want to learn. Do you agree with me? Put 100. A lot of people don't care. They just get in. Let's get the money. No. If you want to go for a long haul, okay, you want to be sure if you are not just someone is not spooking you. A lot of people have been spooked in this space. I don't want to spook you. I want you to be able to trust that I know what I'm teaching you. So I'm giving you a basic background for you to trust and go research. Okay, so I became the first African educator for this company, and over the course of 1 year, 6 months, I didn't just become an educator. I became a consistent, most highly viewed educator in the world. All right, in that company over a period of 1 year, I created a record that is unbreakable because why? I know how to teach. And now, why is that important? If someone who didn't know how to trade, I didn't come into the company as a professional. I came in as nobody, no one, I didn't know anything about trading. In fact, I never loved trading, but I learned from the system. So would you say right now, put proof on the chat if I have proof of learning? If I could become an educator in the company I learned from, would you say I have proof of learning? Put proof. Okay. That is actually the reason I'm telling you guys this story. So I became, I became an educator, and I actually became one of the best. Okay. I'm still one of the best in this space when it comes to what I'm about to teach you. Okay. I'm good at it. All right. But I'm good at it. I'm good at that. No, don't put that good at it. So that is why I am this space. So why, Kendrick? High frequency Forex, what happened? This is why we're here on this call, to tell you the advantage, how you can trade it, how it could actually up your money within a short period of time. If you could master the skill of trading Forex, and you could now advance into trading part time, because what's the difference between Forex and binary option? Binary option favors people who are programmed per time. So a program per time, it's PPT. It's very, very important. So will everybody trade Forex successfully? All right. No. Some people don't have the patience. They don't have the time fortitude to trade Forex. But binary option gives you the opportunity to just, okay, I want to trade for 1 hour. And you can actually make what you want to make in Forex in 1 hour within this time frame. It's the same skill, but one is highly volatile. You're trading quick and the smartest volatility within a short period of time. Okay. So you can say within an hour, like we're here on this call right now, I can tell you, we could trade all we want to trade if we see the opportunity, unless there's no opportunity. Okay. But you actually could trade all you want to trade. The market is moving. You will see something to trade. Okay. Within the space of 15, 40, 15, 30, 45, 1 hour. All right. Some people even trade 10 minutes in binary options. Some people trade 1 minute candle. Okay. So because of that, and it has an advantage that it gives you a clear cut. I hope I'm not being too fast. So what we're doing today, I'm just giving you guys a vocal idea before we get into the chart, because the part where you're going to see the chart is the part where we're going to start setting up and trading. But I'm just giving you guys a concept for the new people. Let me get an idea of what's happening before we get started. Are you guys following? So I'm following. Put tracking on the chart if you're following so far. Tracking, put tracking. Let me know I'm getting you along. Okay. Beautiful. Before you get the money, get the truck. All right. So yeah, so that's the advantage of, binary, that you can captivate on trading and making all you want to make, or exhausting all your risk within a space of a stipulated time. So you can go about your busy day. Okay. And it has a very high way of profitability, not just the fastness. It was programmed the way that it pays more. So you could actually trade and get a certain percentage of your money that is way over 60, 70%, okay, in one trade. Within that period you want to trade. So if it's 1 minute you want to trade, you could get 60 to 90%, sometimes 95% of what you're staking, okay, in 1 minute. So it's not just fast. It has high reward. Put high reward on the chart, HR. So it is fast. So let me lay it out again, so you guys know. You can write it for those of you that are writing. So what are the advantage of binary, or what are the characteristics of binary? It is time controlled, number one. Okay, it is time controlled, so it helps people who fall in the categories I don't have enough. So time control. Then two, it is quick. It is fast. You're trading the fast pace. It is quick to earn, and quick to lose as well. All right, so it is quick to trade. And three, it has high reward. The reward and your commitment to trade quickly has a high reward. Okay. Then four, it is risky if you don't know how to trade it. When people are teaching you things, you people like hearing beautiful things only. Okay. Only, not me. I tell you, as much as you saw all of those beautiful things, if I didn't tell you this last one, then I'm not about to teach you. How many of you are excited I told you this last one? It is risky. How many of you are excited? Don't tell me you're excited. You are curious. Excited or curious? Tell me on the chat. If you're not having fun, if you're not on my chat, you're not having fun, and that's not nice. If you're curious or excited, that's the last one. Some of you on this call right now, that's the only thing you want to know. Cambridge just said something. That last one I want to know. Excited or curious? Okay, so that is binary option in a package. Now, let's get in. Are we ready to get in? Let's start. Can we start? So, yeah, I'm about to get you guys started. So if you're new here right now, congratulations. I'm going to take you through a baby step. As long as you can log into this Zoom, you can trade. We have, in the history of our trading, we have people who are children and they are trading this. Imagine you can start a journey of trading your 6-year-old, 5-year-old, how to trade Forex through binary option. Now, these people don't have an emotion of money. They just want to know how to do something. Okay. Do you know your children can? We had a family then, the son, which is about 6 years old, had a 6 years, had a 9 year. The boy was had a 13 years. 13 year was making some amazing money that was, when you don't have an emotion for money, it's easy for you to trade and be profitable. So set your children up. So you're getting this knowledge. So if you have kids and you're sitting where you have access to them, set them up. They'll make more money than you. I promise you. Okay. They will make money because why? They don't have the problems you carry in the family in your head. They don't have it. So they will trade better than you. How many of you agree with me? Put 10 on the chat. So we're going to get to the first step is, where do I trade binary? That's the first thing I want. Okay. Where? The platform. What platform? So binary is Forex. I'm not here to teach you Forex. I'm here to teach you something to have an understanding of how you can make money. Then you make the decision to learn it. Can we do that? So don't say this call is not to teach you, okay, how to trade. This call is not to show you how to trade. This call is to show you, okay, a type of trading that is profitable and you can do it without knowing how to trade by just following instruction. Are we clear? Are we good? So let your expectation not run wild. I want to show you something you can do that can help you earn money fastly just by being a student that knows how to follow instruction. Then you cannot go and sit with your family, sit with your friends, or sit with yourself and say, wow, this is good. I think we can learn this and make a decision to start. That is what I want to do on this call. So we have platforms, okay, that could help you start. So before we get started, I'm going to drop some link on the chat. This is the most critical thing on this call. If you want to get the best out of this call, is to follow instructions. Put that on the chat. I'm ready to follow instructions. Make that commitment to me. Let me know how my students are ready. I'm ready to follow instructions. So I'm just gonna get, so for those of you that are on Instagram here right now, I just wanted to notify you that we have the call is live. So don't be looking at my face. You should be on the call. So the link I just plugged in here right now. And if you're getting this, maybe when this is already posted, okay, is actually live on YouTube as well. And if you click on my bio link, you see the Telegram channel to join and you see the link and you join this call. This is important for you. So bye-bye for here right now. Okay, good. I stopped the Instagram because I needed to copy something. Hold on, guys. So I'm going to be pulling some link on the chat. All you do is click the link and you sign up. Okay, this is where we trade it. So I'm just going to drop the two links. These are the links you can use to set up your account for trading binary option. So you don't have to ask me, how can I open an account? I'm already fast ahead giving you the link to start. So we have two platforms. Okay, the one I'm going to be using as a case study on this call is called Pocket Option. I need everybody to put PO on the chat. Okay, so I'm dropping the link. Since I've been trading, there are two platforms that have been credible. I mentioned one thing that was the last thing. It is risky. If you don't know what you don't know, and you just do things for the purpose of, I'm a robot that just looking for every opportunity to make money, you're going to be a victim more than you be a success. Okay, so that is the link. So while I open the website, if you're new here and you're not my student, okay, and you've not already had an account and you're new, hear this instruction. That link is the link you click. If you got that, say I got it. If you want me to repeat again, I will repeat. Even if you don't say it, I would repeat. If you are new, you've not traded before, this is your first time. While I am going to the website to show you what and how to set up, click that link. Okay, so when you click the link, it's just simple registration. Put your name, just register, put your name, put an email, put the password. Okay, okay, maybe what I'm going to do is I'm going to click it and show you. But that is the link I have sent on the chat is the link you go through. If you already have a pocket option, this information is not for you. Okay, I'm not saying go and open another account. That is just the direction for people who are setting. So the first stage is set up. Okay, I should kindly resend the link. It's there. Someone will be helping me resend the link. So that is it on the chat. Okay. So if you got that, say I got that. I'm grateful that I'm not being too fast, except maybe I have to still reduce the tempo. So I'm going to click on the link right now and show you what is sharing, what is going to share. All right. So, okay. So when you click the link on my chat, it's going to bring you here. Okay, I'm just going to tell you what to do. It's not loading yet. I hope you're not going to disturb us. Why are you not loading quick? So a lot of people are detailed enough to ask, okay, what are the platform I can trade? What is security of the platform? Now, there is no guaranteed secured platform of trading, okay? I'm not an advocate of any broker. I'm not an ambassador of any broker. I only just use things my mentor used that have credibility that I have an idea of, okay? So this is not a call for us to discuss the detail about credibility, but this is what I use. That, for me, I just told you what I do. I may not know what I don't know, but I believe someone who's ahead of me knows, okay? So I follow people, I learn people, and I do what they do. So I don't need to ask a lot of questions. So yeah, it's open, all right. So this is when you're new and you open that link I gave you right now, this is what you're going to see. And all you need to do is just click start. Welcome to the Cutting Edge platform. It's a brief guide. We will take you through trading process on the platform. Okay. All right. Wait, am I supposed to do this? No. Just go, leave this alone. All right. When you click that, just leave that alone. If you've done that and this is what you see, let me know. So what I did is what I closed it. Are you guys with me? I closed it. So if you've done that and this is what you see, put yes on the chat. So I told you guys something. The ability for you to follow instruction. This is binary trading. Every instruction, even the way I breathe, you should pay attention to it. The way I will smile, pay attention to it. Binary is fast-paced trading. You miss a simple step, quick. You can lose a trade and I can win it just by small difference of not paying attention. Please, whatever you do, follow my instruction. And one of the things about following instruction is that you let me know on the chat. Okay. So if you got what I said, if this is what you're seeing, put it on chat. That's what I said. How can you trade with me and I'm not getting feedback on the chat? Or you're busy doing something. I want to bring you. I'm doing this to bring my attention to you because I'm not seeing you. I'm not seeing what you're doing. I'm not seeing your screen. This is the only way. Answering me on the chat is the only way I can know. Okay. That you're doing what I need you to do. If this is what you're seeing after clicking the link and exiting from that first pop-up, okay, you did not click start, you closed it. If this is what you're seeing, put yes on the chat. Okay, this is what you should be seeing. So I did not say go and open an account. Go and that you are already following your own instruction. And a lot of people do that in trading. And they get confused why they don't know where they are. Okay, so only 3 people have responded on chat. It means the rest of the other people, aside those who already have an account, Okay. Okay, beautiful. So if I get 3, I'll proceed. Now, if you want to set up an account, okay, what you just need to do, maybe after the call, I don't need to teach you that, all right? When you see on the right side, there's a place you're going to see sign in. If you look on my right side right now, there's a place where you're going to see sign in and registration. Are you guys seeing it? Okay, sign in and registration. Okay, so when I tell you to register after this call, that's where you would click. But the good thing about this broker is that they've already given you, so just opening on this broker right now, I have $50,000 demo account to trade. Okay, and you can actually top up, you can actually fund. I'm not here to teach you the detail. We have videos that will take care of you when you make a decision to start a journey to be a true student. Here is just to carry you along and show you what we're doing on this call and how it can be an advantage to you. Is that clear? So, but if you want to register, you click on this plus sign, all right? And it's going to take you to the registration page. You put your email, you put your password, okay? Forget promo code. You click this box and you sign up. Can everyone just quickly do this right now? So we see how easy it is. If you've done it, if you just do this, I give you 1 minute, 60 seconds. Do this right now so that I know everybody's registered. So if you have any question on this call that has to do with registration, I can take care of it. It's that simple. The moment you register, you will now see login. Okay. You will now see login and that's it. Voila. You're already a member. You're probably getting an email on your platform, on your email. All right. About your registration. That's it. The moment the same email you use and the password you use is the same thing you're going to use to sign in. Am I making sense? So let me just quickly go back. Okay. If it is clear, put clear on the chat. All right. If it is clear, put clear on the chat. Or if I'm too fast, I'm waiting. If you've signed up, put signed up. If you signed up, put signed up on the chat. So I know you've done it. Okay. So I'm with a mobile phone and I'm with my system. So you guys are seeing the system. Downloading, don't download anything. Don't download anything. Do it on the web. Okay. Never use a mobile application to trade. Okay, take that from me. Okay, well, I don't do that. So don't do it. So I can't guide you in the direction of doing it. So always use the web. The web version is what we use. So I'm on the mobile version. So I can, because some of you are joining with a mobile version. So you're not going to be seeing exactly what I am seeing. Okay, so you'll be a little bit confused. All right, but I want to carry you along. Are you excited about that? So on the mobile version, okay, what you see first, you're going to see this. You're seeing this on the mobile version. Okay, you're seeing this box on the mobile version, but you're not seeing this. You're seeing this green wallet on the mobile version, but you're not seeing top up. Okay, and you're seeing this on the left side of your mobile version, but you are not. It's not on the right here. Okay, if you agree with me, just put yes on the chat. So I'm just trying to tell you the things you'll be seeing on the mobile version. Then this green and red are on the bottom side of your mobile version. And the things that are important are the things that I'm showing you right now. Okay. Then we have this time. Okay. Then we have this dollar, money. And I'm going to tell you what and how you're going to use them. Okay. The things you're going to be using. Then we have on the mobile version, I'm trying to see where you're going to see currency. Okay, good. You are not seeing this GBP USD. You are probably seeing something American Express. How many of you that's what you're seeing? Okay. How many of you that's what you're seeing? Let me know in the chat. That's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm showing you. So I'm going to tell you what we trade in. So the first thing, are you guys with me? When I open mine, I click on that link. I'm like, good. So you guys should not be, if I don't tell you these things, some of you will end up being confused. Be like, your screen is not my screen. So I'm saying you do something and you'll be like, I'm confused. I don't know what you're even saying. So am I being detailed enough? Am I being detailed enough? So good. So when you click, nobody is answering me on the chat. Are you guys eating rice? Okay, let me, hold on. I need the response for me to know I'm teaching you right. Okay? Except you're eating rice. So when you click, so what you need to do, click on that American Express. So 4 things or 5 things, write 5 on the chart. Write 5. I'm going to show you 5 things that are very important in this platform that you need to know today as a basic student. You don't need to learn anything. You just have to know these things. Are we together? 5. Put 5 on the chart. Okay? 5. Please be quick with me. Number 1, in binary, if you want to be a student and you want to make money, even if you don't have any form of knowledge in trading, but you can copy and paste, one thing, you need to train your mind to be focused on these 5 things. You can trade with me for the next 1 year without even knowing how to trade. But if you know how to do these things, know these 5 things, you will make money with me without even having the skill. I don't know if you like that. Okay, good. So the first thing is the currency, the instruction of the currency. You should know how to choose a currency. So when I say I want to trade GBP USD, or so let's say I want to trade, because we trade currencies, we don't trade, it's not crypto we're trading. American Express is probably stocks. It says stock, it's on the stock market. This is stock. So there is crypto, there is futures, but we trade currency. So what you're going to do right now, if you're using a mobile phone, click on that American Express OTC, and at the top of it, you will see something like the dollar. You will see an icon like the Bitcoin. Then you will see an icon like raindrop. Just click the icon on above the search that has the dollar. So this is what it looks like. Oh, no, it's too small. Okay. But I'm doing this because this is big enough for you guys to see. But at the same time, I want you guys that are using a mobile phone. Okay, I want to carry you guys along. Am I doing well with that? Okay. So when you do, if you've done that, say done. So this is it. So this is what you're clicking. You're clicking this currency. So this is this is currencies, this is cryptocurrencies, this is commodities, this is stock indices. Okay. But this is what we're trading. So you click currencies and this is what is going to show up. All right. The only difference between a mobile and this system right now is the mobile have more definition. So that dollar now has currency. So you will know it's currency. If you've done that, say done. You guys are not, you guys are eating rice. The people who are not talking, they are eating rice or cooking beans. You know, you cannot cook and learn at the same time. You burn your food. So put done if you've done that. We have new students on this, except now I am not too involved if you're not putting, because I know some of you already know how to do this, but for the basics of this is almost like a boot camp. So we're taking you through. So if you come and you watch this video, you can follow this video and you can learn how to do this without. So for those of you who already know how to do this, I know you get bored and you probably think, let me go. But at the point you're going, you're missing out something, because the best way to earn money are in the basics. I promise you. Okay, keep it simple. So I'm showing you. So if you've done that, I've done. It's so simple. Just click on that American Express, that currency, and all you just need to do is click this. This is the sign you will see. You won't see currency. So stop looking for another thing. This is the sign you will see above your search. Okay. Boom. If you've done that, this would, under the search, you see all of these currencies. So these are currencies. So I need you to do something for me right now. Select. So search for USD JPY. All right. And you will see a star option on this. Click on that star option and select USD JPY. And if you now have a USD JPY chart on your platform, put USD JPY. So easy. So that is the first thing. You click on the star, means star it. What does that mean? There are so many currencies. You don't always want to be coming and you want to always be searching. So when you click on star, it puts it on your favorite. Okay, so let's do something quickly. Another thing, select Euro USD. Euro, that's EURO USD. Click on it and click the star. The one you are selecting is the one that does not have OTC. Okay, just follow me. Just follow instructions. Don't ask too many questions. Don't ask me right now, so what is OTC? Just follow my instructions because that's what I'm teaching you right now. Okay, then you select, then you go up again, search for GBP USD. Sorry. And you start. Okay. All I'm teaching you to do right now, I'm teaching you something very easy for you to do. So whether you're a new student or you're not a new student, this information is not for new students. Some of you have been trading, you don't even know this. Okay. So that is why I said the basics, the power is in the basics. So go select, all right, another currency, USD card. What does this mean? Kendra, what are you trying to do? Okay. Some of you waste too much time trying to select a currency. You're trying to find it. And the educator have called the trade. 2 minutes, click buy now, and you're still finding currency. And trade is already halfway in profit. So to eliminate that, okay, just every currency that it's possibly traded, just put them on your favorite by clicking the star. Search them out, click the star. And when you go on favorite, okay, so when I go on favorite, can you see that this 4 currency I just told you right now are here looking at me? Put 4 on the chart. Okay. Are you guys with me? Am I teaching you guys well? Put 4. Put 4 if you got this. You learned this. Put 4. So I told you that you don't need to know how to trade. If you know how to follow instruction, you get the result of knowing how to trade. That's the most important thing. So adapt to currency, which is the number 1. This is how to choose a currency and how to select a currency and how to bring it on the chart. So if I want to pick any currency, so let's say I want to trade USD JPY right now, I just select USD JPY, then I will click the screen to close it. How many of you have learned that powerfully? I have, okay? You've learned how to choose a currency, select a currency, and upload it on the chart. Then there is another thing on the currency by the side of, so on my screen right now, the next thing you're seeing here, you're seeing some 3 things. So you're seeing chart line, you're seeing indicator, you're seeing drawings. Okay, if you click on chart type, we have candle. So where are you going to see that on your phone? Okay, you will click the 3 dot line on your phone. You will see the chart type, you will see this, you will see, all right, this, and you will see this. So click on this and change it. So normally we use, it depends on what you want to use. I love to use candles. All right. But for clarity's sake, but I love to use candles. So let's use candles today. So change it to candles. I'm doing this because I want to engage you. Some of you, you don't love to be engaged, and that's why you don't learn well. Okay. For many reasons, I don't need to do all these things, but I'm doing it because I want to engage you. Let me know you know how to follow instruction. So if you change it to candles, put candles on the chart. So how do you change it to candles? In front of the USD JPY on your phone, there's a 3 dots on the right side. Click on the 3 dots. You're going to see this. You're going to see, all right, this chart type. Then you're going to see this and you're going to see this. Just click on this chart type. This is line, chart type, line, candles, bar. Click candles and exit. Put candles if you've done that. Everyone, okay? So most of you are trading pocket option. You don't have, if you've done it. So learn and let me know you've learned. So that's everything about currency. And you see the beautiful thing about having favorites. How many of you can see on my screen on laptop, I have all the favorites on top of my screen. Okay. So if I want to trade USD, I will just select. I don't even need to click on this currency. They're already there waiting for me. That's one of the beauty of having your favorite selected. Okay. Does that make sense? So now the next thing, so I gave you 5 things. We've only dealt with one. The next thing is we are trading currency. So I showed you how to select currency. Another thing that is important in binary is time. Put time on the chart. So how do you select time? I need you guys to put time. Okay. We have over 40 people on this call, but I only get 3 people responding. Are the other people too big to learn? Even if you are a student already, I know what I'm trying to say. It's only honorable for you to just respond. Time. I say put time. I didn't say learn time. So put time on the chat. The response is exciting. It doesn't make me feel bored. You guys want me to be bored? If I am bored, the next trade you're going to take, you're going to lose money. How many of you want to lose money? You better don't trade with me because you will lose if you make me bored. Trading is excitement. I'm doing everything to be excited, but if you're boring me, just know that the trade I will call is a losing trade. So you better just get out right now rather than bore me. Okay, good. I'm just trying to get your attention. So, but let's all communicate in the chat. Now, time. How do you select time? So there is time. It's so obvious here right now. So like I told you, binary is time-based. What does this mean? If I select 1 minute, so this is selecting 1 minute, this is 1 minute, okay? And I pick buy or sell, what it means that in the next 60 seconds, this trade is done. What do you mean? So I'm going to just buy right now. And I bought for 1 minute, okay? If you see by the side, there's a countdown. In the next 60 seconds, this trade is going to end. So buy means if I placed a buy and it's in, okay? You're seeing another thing here is $10. What it means, what I want to show you here right now is in the next 37 seconds, which is combination of 60 seconds, this trade is going to close. So whatever the outcome, if I lose or win, okay, in 60 seconds, this trade is done. That is what time means. I hope everybody got that. All right, that is what I wanted to show. So win or lose, the time is one of the most precious assets in learning in binary. Amen. So in 10 seconds, 9 seconds, so I want to use this to also teach you something. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, boom. So this is what time means. Okay. Whatsoever time you choose, okay, is the time the trade will run its outcome. You may have a good analysis, but your time determines how long the trade will run its outcome. Does this make sense? Good sense. So you saw now I took a trade for a buy, okay? And I'm also going to come to the other thing, which is, but let me just talk about the meaning of time. So for everybody who does, some of you never knew Forex was like this. And that is why I'm doing it like this. So time gives you, how long do you want to take a trade? That's what binary is. So in 1 minute, okay, I just lost $10. And the beauty is, if it was a win in 1 minute, I just used $10 to make an extra money. I'm also going to show you. So when you selected, we are on USD JPY. What do you see here on the top side of the screen? What do you see here? Let me know you guys are seeing what I'm showing you. What do you see on the top side of the screen? Okay. And if you click on your USD JPY, what do you see? Percentage. What it means is that presently USD JPY on currency is paying 63% on any outcome of your trade. Euro USD is paying 84% on any outcome of your trade. Outcome means whether you buy or sell, which is called the order. So that brings us to the third thing. So I'll be shuffling because time does not stand alone. It has to go. So the third thing is the order. Right order. So number one is currency. I've shown you. Number two is time. Number three is currency. So what is the order? Buy or sell? Are you buying or selling? That is the order. Two things you're doing in binary option. In Forex, either you buy or you sell. Okay? So whether you buy or you sell, the currency tells you how much it's paying. Presently, right now, okay, Euro USD is paying 84%. USD JPY is paying 54%. It changes. Okay, so you have to, before you trade, pay attention to these 5 things before you trade. Don't just say, oh, I have a good analysis. Doesn't matter. Okay, it's not good analysis that matters. It's the strategy of understanding what you're trading. So Euro USD is paying 84%. GBP USD is paying 50%. USD CAD is paying 56%. Let me just leave you guys with a little one. Okay, try as much as possible to only trade currencies that pay over 65%. Did you guys get that? And a simple explanation is this. So let's say I use $100 to trade. If the currency is paying 54%, how much am I going to make if the time elapses? $54 would be my profit in 1 minute or 5 minutes. That's the beauty of binary option. That's the beauty of high frequency trading. Okay. How many investment do you have there that you can invest and get over 50%? Good. It's amazing. But I'm also giving you this little cheat for a reason. Okay. Don't trade currencies that pays less than 65. It's not too good. I'm not going to, I probably might talk about it, but this is just an instruction phase. Okay. Always pay attention to the currencies that pay over 65% or 60%. Does that make sense? So I got that. So this is time. Let's go back to time. Now you know order. Let's go back to time. We will always tell you what timing we're trading when we're trading live, money in minutes. So you hear us talk about money in minutes. You can take advantage of that. Just join us and make money. Cost you nothing. Okay. To just make. So let's say we're having this opportunity, we're trading live. For the things that are needed is the things you need to know. What timing we're trading, what currency we're trading. Okay. What order? Is it buy or a sell? Okay. But on timing, we may tell you 5 minutes fixed. We may tell you 5 minutes. You need to understand the category of timing we're telling you. So there is a 2 category of timing. There is the expiration time and there is the fixed time. So I'm ready to learn that. Okay. Put 10 if you're ready to learn that. It's very, very important. A lot of traders have lost not understanding this. So a trader may go, I'm trading this trade for 5 minutes. Is it fixed time or is expiration time? So what is expiration time? The moment you set this right now, okay? So when you see this, this is whatsoever I put here. Anything I put here, have these people done an upgrade? Okay, good. Anything I put here is what it will last for. This is a fixed time panel. Okay? This is a fixed time panel. So if I want to trade 5 minutes, all I need to do is change here to 5 minutes. It will run for 5 minutes. It is fixed. All right. There is another category, which is expiration. It means it doesn't give you the exact. It reads, it works with your real time. So presently, right now, we are 3:58. The time is 3:58. If I go to that other category, you will see a flag. What did I click? And if you look under the time, if you're on the phone now, beside the time, there is something like a clock. How many of you see that? Click the clock. It will change to a flag. If that is done, put done. Flag means it is on expiration time. So whatsoever category I set, so let's say I'm picking 5 minutes. Okay, auto set time. Okay, now one of the beautiful things about pocket option is different from one prime option. Okay, it's easy to manage. Okay, so if I click auto set time, all right, it means you're going to automatically do this. But if let's say I pick 5 minutes, if I pick 5 minutes, all right, it's reading. You may not get complete. So if I pick 5 minutes, this may close. That's 4:05. Okay. I'm trying to. I normally use one prime option, but I think there's been some little bit of upgrade. But I want to be detailed with this as well. So you can see I selected 5 minutes. What did you see here? Okay, it's going to close 4:02. If I select 30 minutes, all right. Hold on, just a moment. Okay, this is the present time. Am I correct? Let's see. So what you do, this is 16 hours. 02. Is it telling me the present time? So what you do here is if I give you 5 minutes, just click 5 minutes. Yeah, let's do something very quick. 2 minutes. Okay. I need you guys to click 2 minutes because I want everyone to understand. All right. I've clicked 2 minutes. What I did was click 2 minutes. I clicked here and I clicked 2 minutes. Let's do something quickly. Okay. Click sell. If you selected 2 minutes, click sell. What did you see? When the time started, what time did you see? It did not start from. Do it again. All right, click sell again. What time did you see? 1:32. Is that 2 minutes? Is 1:32 2 minutes? Are you guys getting what I'm saying? Because it's expiring. It's counting real time. So when you select 2 minutes, it's 2 minutes on the real time clock. Okay. So it breaks 60 seconds down and divide it by so every 2 minutes on the 60. So when you select 2 minutes, it will end in the even 2 minutes. Are you guys getting input? I got it. Okay, so this is the difference between expiration time and fixed time. So when an educator tells you, I want to trade a trade for 5 minutes, please ask, is it fixed time or expiration time? Because the outcomes are going to be different. One may have closed and one has not closed. But if I go to a fixed time right now, if I change this, okay, and I select 2 minutes, it will give me exactly 2 minutes. You can see they both will close different time. Oh, I said 12 minutes, sorry. It's exactly 12 minutes it gives. Are you guys with me? If you got this, if you got the explanation of expiration time and fixed time, put I got it. That is the whole idea, because I want everybody to have pure, powerful, clean understanding, at least at the best. So you can see the trade closed right now, okay? The 2 minutes trade have closed. We won the one at the up. I don't know if we won the one at the bottom, okay? So this is the closed trade. So we won. So we've only won one trade, we've lost 2, okay? Beautiful. But did you guys get this? I want to know if you guys got this. I'm really trying to carry everyone around detail today. Okay, we're only gonna have a few time to trade, maybe 10 minutes to trade today. Tomorrow is gonna be more trading, but I want everybody to get this today. All right, are you guys getting it? The other part is pizza. Okay, so timing is very key, and I wanted you guys because in my time of trading with a lot of students, a lot of people have missed trading or lost or have different experience just because of not understanding fixed time and expiration time. Okay, and some people don't even know how to select it. But the good thing is your first day, if you're a first day here today, you already know how to do this. Then the third thing, I already give you guys the third thing, which is order, buy or sell. Those are 2 things. So you don't need to learn anything. The green is the buy, the sell is the red is the sell. Is that good? Put good on the chat. Okay, so you guys know how to select. So whatever time they give you, just select it. Now, the next thing is the what? Risk. Put risk, which is the 4th thing. Put risk on the chart. So risk means you want to make money. And this goes beyond just what I'm going to show you on the chart. I will tell you, buy Euro USD, buy is the other, Euro USD currency for 5 minutes, which is the time. But one thing I will not tell you is the risk. Okay, well, sometimes we tell you the risk. Normally, averagely within our system, don't use more than 1 to 3% on your account per any given trade. Don't be a greedy trader. Okay. When you're beginning, start with 1%. Does that make sense? So all you need to do is know how to calculate percentage. So if you have $100, what is 1% of $100? So now, how much do you guys have on your broker right now? You were giving 50,000. What is 1% of 50,000? Okay, you guys talk to me fast. You would help me become okay. What is 1% of 50,000? That's $500. So I need you guys to click where you have amount and put $500. If you've done it, put 500. 500 done. If you've done it, put 500 done. Okay, 500 done. If you've done it, if I get 3, I'll proceed. I don't know if the rest of you are eating rice. Okay, but if I get 3 people say done. Okay, so 5%, 1% of $50,000, which was the money they gave you on a demo account here, okay, is $500. So when we say trade, you only use 1%. Try to always stick to using 1% per trade because we're trading many trades. Okay, we're not going to be taking one trade. We're just looking for opportunity. So this may be ready, another may be ready. So all you just need to do is invest. So you don't want to use all of your money in one trade. You miss out. You get emotional. You get off. Okay. So always stick to following instructions. So I need you guys to follow this instruction right now. Click on the amount and put $500. If you've done that, put done. Okay. So that's the second one. All right. That's the third one. Okay. The next thing I want you to do right now is click the red button. Click sell. Okay, hold on. Don't click sell. I want to play this. Select Euro USD. Put Euro USD. Select. Leave it on fixed time and select 3 minutes. No. 3 minutes will be too fast. Select 1 minute. So select Euro USD. Put $500. Okay, select time. On time, select 1 minute. So you will see M1 or make sure this place is 1 minute. And click sell. If you've done that, let me know you've done that. Put done on the chat. Now, forget about the outcome. The whole goal of this is to make sure you have done it. You know how to do it. All right. We're not trading right now. We're following instructions. I want to know you guys know how to follow the instructions. If you've done it, put done. All right, done. So I want to accredit you to tell you that you already know you've started learning how to trade. This is how we trade. So you could select a currency. Okay, you could select the time. You could select the amount. There's only one thing remaining. Okay. So this trade is about to close in 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. So what did we get? $850. How many of you you won? So it's not really about the outcome. How many of you took the trade and you saw the outcome? I don't know where you took yours. You may have taken it down, right? But you traded right now. Say I did. Someone even have to put pay. You put pay what? Wait, I forgot to hold on. I forgot. I've done this before. I've had sessions like this while I'm doing demo trading or teaching people how to trade, and some people were trading on their live account. I hope you did not try that. Wait, I hope I've had it many times. Okay, I forgot to say. I was just demo trading. I'm not trading yet. Okay, but that is how we trade. And Okay, good. So because I've had that, oh, some people that I just made, I was like, wait, the demo is not your money. No, 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 I took it on my real account. Wait, you took it on your, don't try that at home. Oh. Please, what I'm doing right now, we're just practicing. Okay, so beautiful. So every one of you right now, can you see how easy binary and tempting and risky binary option is? The only component that is remaining is what? Price. Put price on the chart. So I've taught you how to select a currency. I've taught you, okay, how to choose time. I've taught you how to check your risk, okay, and change your risk, calculate your risk. And I've also taught you if it's a buy and sell, which is the order. These are critically some of the most important things, except one, until one, but one, price. We are always going to tell you where. So I've shown you the how, I've shown you the where, okay? When, I'm going to show you the where. Where are you buying or where are you selling? I've told you the time you're going to, how long you're buying. I've told you what you're buying, okay? I've told you when you're buying, but where, which is price. Everyone put price on the chart. So when we do, this is where you now see me go, we'll do our analysis and we'll select the currency and we'll tell you, okay, we're buying. So I want us to do a sell right now. Okay, I'm just going to, I want us go select Euro USD. Are you guys on Euro USD? If it gets to 888, now we always like to tell you the last 3 digits. We will not say Euro USD, sell Euro USD at 1.08888. There are 5 numbers in a currency. We will only tell you the last 3 to make it swift. So what I am looking at right now is, I want, where are my charts? Oh, let me see if I can get my chart. Lines, hold on. Okay, good. Just a moment. Oh, my guy is there already. What I want to do, okay. I wanted us to sell here. I don't know if it's going to come back. So that is 888. So what's going to happen right now? I don't know if it's going to come back. If this price comes back to 888, she's going. That's what I actually wanted us to do. Okay. If this price comes back to 888, select 3 minutes. Select 3 minutes. Okay. No, let's just stay on 1 minute. No, let's go. I want it to be different. Let's select 2 minutes. We're not trying to trade though. Okay, we're not trying to, that's 0 plus 2. Okay, make it 2 minutes. When it gets there, take a trade. When it gets there, take a trade for 2 minutes. It's there right now. It got there actually. Okay, but it's moving. I know some. Did anybody get in? Okay, I don't know if anybody, but I'm still waiting. If it gets there, I'm going to take a trade for 2 minutes. I want us to not get into the feeling of trading. All right. So if this price right now gets to 888, I am going to just click sell. It's almost there. 888 or above. All right. Come on. This is where the feeling comes in. You follow instructions. If it gets there right now, I'm just going to click sell. That is how our trading looks like. So when you see us give you trade tomorrow, we're going to be giving you trade in this format. Okay. Sell Euro USD for 2 minutes or for 5 minutes or for 15 minutes at 888. So when it gets there, so all you just need to do is go select your, so it's there, okay? And you just click. If you're in, let me know you're in. And that is everything. Okay, not everything, just a few more things. Okay, a few simple things. There's another part of, okay, this is execution that I'll share. Then we get into real life analysis. for those who already know how to trade. How many of you've done it? It's done. Okay. You've traded it, then I know you are now a trader with me. You're qualified to come tomorrow or even make money on the next session. Okay. Or trade with me. You know, when we say make money, people don't understand that trading is risk. But this is how to trade. And I want to know every person here right now understand this simple step. Okay. And just to close, and I believe you all know, if this price ends above, that's when we lose. If it ends below, that's when we win. That's the simple term on trading. I mean, if you're having a feeling right now, you want the candle to go down, you're looking at the candle, please go down. No, don't go up, don't go up. That's the feeling of trading. It is real. Okay. If it was 1 minute, it would have closed. But I decided to do 2 minutes because I wanted you guys to get a feeling of waiting for a trade to close so quick. How many of you are saying, oh, this 42 seconds, you're too slow. Come on, go down. Time, go fast. How many of you are feeling that right now? Good. So the next, there's one more thing. What is that one thing that's remaining? I've shared am I leaving anything? So I've given you the time, the order. Okay. Okay. I remember now. So let this close and see how it's gonna close. That's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that is it. Okay, so we made another money in less than 2 minutes. Does that make sense? All right. So I started investing with how much? 50,000. I've made an extra 191,000 in this call. Wow, Cambridge made money. Okay, that is not my own. Now there is another part of this which is a little advanced. I've given you the basics. For some of you, in tomorrow's call, there's another way to take our trade. So this trade, I can actually take it another way. Okay, how many of you love to learn a way you can take this without watching it get to that area? It's called a limit order. Okay, it's a limit order. So I want to do something quickly. Just a moment. So what we're going to be doing quickly, I'm going to be bringing. Are you guys ready to trade? So this is almost going to be now. We're not going to go live. All right. I know someone is now asking me, how do we roll over? So there are other things. There are other things. And those are the things that I now have to do. After a trade is executed, there are some terms that you guys would need to know. Okay. And there are terms like rollover means extend your time. Double up means take the trade again. Okay. And buy at limit orders. You can actually use limit orders for some trade. But me, I trade live. But we have another educator in my system, in my academy. You know, when it gives you trade, it could give you the option of a limit order. All right. Limit order means buy Euro USD at 112. So you can actually now, he gives you the trade. You can take the trade now, okay, and go and sleep. And when the trades get to 112, it will execute at the same time. Okay, how many of you want to learn that? Just to make this, to spice up this call a little bit, okay? I have done a part to show you what the other base. How many of you learned the other part? I have, you know, one of our amazing educators within the Power Nation ecosystem here on this call. All right, he's the man of many multiple trade all in. You know, he's one of our educators, and almost every day of the week, he trades with the student money in minutes. Okay, binary options gives you the different trade ideas you should look at, and you can set limit orders and take them, or you could wait for them when they get there, you execute. But I just want him, he's playing a role today to just show you how to, okay, do limit orders, how to do a rollover, okay, and how to do a double up. These are terms you're going to need for real life trading. Okay, you guys are excited for what you've learned so far, and you're excited about what you want to learn now to make the package of the basics complete. All right, put some 7 as I bring in wealth, etc. Are you there on the call?
Yes, sir.
All right, beautiful. So within this couple of minutes, put some 7s and so if you know you want to make money, all right, and you're excited you want to make money, okay, you want to put some 7s on the chat because these are people who help you make money. They help me help my students make money, you know. So put some 7s on the chat. What he's just going to do right now is he's just going to go take you through using his main platform and main on one prime options. He's main on pocket options. So, and there are these are the features of pocket options. He's just going to take you through them. Rollover, double up, what it means, and what are the implications when you execute with a rollover. How can you use a rollover? Then how can you use the limit order? Okay, Mr. Well, please, can you just take them through that quickly?
All right, thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate it. And put some dollar sign on the chat if you've enjoyed the session so far. Put some dollar emojis on the chat just to tell our coach and mentor thank you for your time and for the good and detailed class. I really appreciate. Put some dollar emojis, make the chat busy. Just appreciate yourself with some dollars. In fact, just use faith. Put the dollar right there because you just want to start claiming the dollar from the market every day without hesitation, because definitely you are going to get it. Just only if you follow the rules, and the rules are not hard. And these days, it's even more easier because there's pending order for you to deal with. Just make the chat busy, guys. Let me get in. I'm really glad you've already taken the basics. It's just making the pending order and stuff. And this is the most easiest part of the trading system, because with this part I'm showing you right now, guys, you don't have to stress yourself too much. You just have to get on it. And I'll be using live account to show you this, because I think the rollover option on demo does not really work that well. Most time I like to do my trade on either 4-hour, daily, and sometimes I use order block and the rest. Though those are new terminologies for some of us who don't know about Forex and some of us who are new here. So let's go. Let me just deal with analysis direct, not just telling you. So this is just a clear example. Let's get a pair we can work with. I need something we can work with, something that is not there yet for me. Okay, I think the market is really rough now because of the news. So let's do it this way. Let me just make it easier for us. Or let me get something that can move. GBP USD. All right, let's look for sell. Let's look for a sell around this area. So this is how it works right here. Now we are looking for a sell right here.
You are still on CAD JPY.
Oh, CAD JPY, right? Okay, it will still work. Let me say something. Yeah, I still like that place. Okay. Okay, hold on. All right, this is a good example for this one right now. We are dealing with pending order. So I've given this trade now. Let's sell GBP JPY at around 501. But sometimes when I'm CAD JPY, sorry, CAD JPY at 501. Though sometimes when I put it on the Discord channel, I put the whole number so that you would not make a mistake with the numbers. So on this part now, we are giving this trade for a sell. So what you have to do, you get here, you see this the root pending trades. You just click on it and you click on by the asset price, because here we are imputing the price. The price is what will give us.
I'm learning, please. You would have to be slow. I do not know where you click the pending trades. So please tell me where you click the pending trades.
This is it right here, the right corner. If you're on your system, though I'm not using mobile, so if you're on the laptop, the right hand corner before, I think this is the third stuff here before the stream
Then
end.
if you are on your phone, sorry, I'm going to help you here because I'm the one looking at the phone for the other people that are, a lot of the students are using phone. So if you're on your phone, it is under the panel of the buy and sell, this buy and sell. You're going to see trades, signals, social trading, express trade, tournament, and pending trades. Where you have that, you'll see it is the last one on the screen on that. Okay, before the URL this thing, you're going to see it. If you've seen it, okay, put I've seen it. Okay, so that is how you switch to pending trade. Go ahead.
All right, so when you click pending trade, you look for by the asset price. I think that's one of the most important thing when you are doing pending order, because here we are dealing with the price. It's not market execution or the timing. So you click by the asset price, you get to assets, and you type in the assets you are looking at trading with. When you type it, it's in. Now you come here with the price. The price I gave you, which is the 501. But in this case, you are writing the whole numbers, all the numbers. That's what you are imputing right here, not just the 501. So, and that's 110.501. So we'll get 0.501. And I like using 70%, though there are sometimes that 60% are also there and it's good. So, but for me, most time I like using 70%. So what this means is from 60% and above, if the percentage is up to 60% and above 60%, it can be 80, 70, 65, just like we have 69 right now. So I'll put 60%. So when the trade gets here and the percentage is on 60% or above 60%, it will trigger the trade for you. But if it's below 60%, it will not trigger that trade. So I just want us to put that into consideration. I like using 15-minute time frame, and it's fixed time. So right here, we are just, this is live markets, and I will put $1 right on this account. This is my test account. So we are selling. What you have to do next is this red down arrow right here. It's telling you lower. Lower means sell and higher means buy. So right here, we are selling. So we just click. Immediately you click on it, it has already been executed. So for you to see your pending order, you just come straight right here on current. When you click on current, you see your pending order. This is the number you put on it, which is the asset price. And this is the time frame, 15 minutes. And this is the amount. This is the percentage. If the trade already triggers, okay, I will also trigger one trade right now so that we will also use that one to do the example for the rollover and the double up. So, but for now, let's wait for this trade as well as we go to another pair to see what we can get. Let me see what's going on. Okay. It's pulling up to those areas. So I already put my pending order. I hope you guys, or if you've put your pending order and you understand what I just did, put some dollar emojis on the chat. But if you don't, put I don't understand on the chat so I can take it all over again. All right. So let's look for another pair we can just trigger on the go or on the go, so that with that one we are able to demonstrate.
Sorry, well, I like these students to be practical. If they have not done that one, I don't want you to teach them another thing. Everybody that has done the pending order, it was an instruction, okay? Because if you don't know it, you'll be lost when you have an opportunity to trade. There's a pending order right now. If you've done the pending order, say it is done. If you have not done it, okay, and you want maybe something to be repeated, just say it. Everybody has that opportunity to learn the basics today before we move into trading. So when we're trading, all we just need to give is the instructions, so people don't begin to ask questions, what is that? You guys agree with me? So if you've done it, say put dollar signs. Was that the instruction you gave them?
Yes,
It was a
yes.
order. And I dropped the price. So I typed it out. Sell card JPY pending order. Okay. At 110501 for 15 minutes fixed time. So you don't even have to do those things I told you. There was a simple way. All of those things were just there. You just select them. All right. Beautiful. So if you get 3 people, that's good. So you can move ahead.
All right, let's go to the next one. Oh, the next one now, yeah, we just have to trigger a trade. And I would look for a good setup. I just need a good setup. Let me see. I need a good setup. All right, are you guys ready to trigger? Are you guys ready to trigger? Are you ready to trigger? Are you ready to trigger? This one, we are just triggering it direct. I'm not using the number for this one. We are not doing pending order for this one. We are just taking direct trade. So if this candle close above all right, we want this candle to close. If this candle close above, we are going to take a buy. Just want it to close above. If it close above, we are going to take a buy for 5 minutes.
So go put your time. Everyone, go put your time on 5 minutes. Make sure you select 1% of your account. Okay, and you just wait. If it close above where he said, all right, that's around the.
If it close above 597.
Yeah. You click buy.
Yes.
And the currency is Euro GBP.
Exactly. Let me see if that one doesn't give us.
So I want to ask a question. Mr. Welt, you're trading your live account. Is it okay for us to trade our live account as well? Some people are asking.
Yes, you can. I think that.
So we have officially started trading. Wait, did he go? So this demonstration is not just a demonstration, it's actually a live, which means you can trade this trade on your live account, okay? But also follow the rules. It's still a demo, but he's using his live account, which means for him to use his live account, all right, you can actually just follow him, but follow him because he will be trading with $1. Don't say because you want to go and trade with $100 on your real live account. Be careful. I think network threw him out. Let's just wait a bit. But are you guys learning so far? Okay. So that trade is a buy trade for 5 minutes, fixed time. Okay. I'm just trying to carry everybody along so that it's coming. It should come in very soon, maybe network or so. So it's fixed time buy if it closes above a certain price. Always watch out for those 5 things I told you: the currency, the time, the order, which is a buy or a sell. In this case, is a buy. Then the price and your risk. We will not always talk about your risk, but pay attention so you don't go and ask. Okay, hold on. Let me get him back. You don't go and ask how many percent. No, don't even ask that question. I've already told you. Nobody's going to tell you your risk. But always make sure you're not over leveraging. Okay. You're not risking more than 1%. In fact, as a beginner, you can reach 0.5%. Okay. Of your real money. Yeah, go ahead. You're back on. Hey, it's already bought. Okay, it has not closed. You can't hear your Michael.
Sorry. Yeah, this is where our rollover and double up comes in. Now, this is a really good example. We don't have to even take another trade right now, but if we have to, I will do so. What we are seeing here right now is that this is our entry and it bought above our entry. So rollover on pocket option mostly is in between the middle of the time. For example, we got in on 15 minutes trade. By 7 minutes and some seconds, or at the end of the first 7 minutes or 8 minutes, the first 8 minutes, the rollover will go off. So with that, they did not, or they will not give you the time for you to wait much longer before taking a rollover. Now I'll be doing a double up, but please use $1 to do this test if you have to. But if you don't have to, just watch me. Now this is a double up. I believe, okay, where this candle I've got into, there will still be a reversal. And I still want to get on the trade at the top, so that it's either I win the both trade or I win the top one and lose the down one. That will make me on break even. So this is just the example. So right here, I'm making a double up. And they will take the same amount you use on triggering the first trade. That's what they will do right here. And for this one now, if I decide, okay, the time is still there, this is just 12 minutes right now remaining. So let's wait and see by the end of the first 8 minutes or 7 minutes, let's see what happens. And after that, we can decide if we roll over or not.
I would step in a little bit to say some people would have taken this trade for 5 minutes because you mentioned 5 minutes first. Am I correct?
No, I said 15 minutes.
No, you mentioned
this is not the 5 minutes. The other trade I wanted to trigger, that's what I said, 5 minutes.
Okay, so I hope no one took it. Did anybody take it for 5 minutes?
This is the 5-minute trade, and this trade triggered and gave us profit. It gave profit. I was unable to take it.
Okay.
This is the 5 minutes trade right here.
Okay.
Then the card JPY is the one we take for 15 minutes. EURO GBP was for 5 minutes, and it's already triggered and made this profit. Did anyone trigger on the EG? Did anyone trigger on the EURO GBP? Okay. Still on it for the 5 minutes.
Okay.
You should have cleared for the EG. Okay, yeah. I said when it closes above this place, they should take it for a buy. Yeah. But it didn't close above. So you guys shouldn't have taken the trade though. It didn't close above. I just remembered now. I said when it closed above this line, we should take it for 5 minutes for a buy. That was what I said. But it didn't close above. Rather, it came back inside and closed inside. So I don't know. The trade was not supposed to be taken.
I hope you all are paying attention to the instruction.
Yeah, because I remember I said when it closed above, then we should take for a buy. So it's now we are supposed to be watching it to see if it's going to close above or close below. While we are also waiting for this guy for rollover. Now, for my rollover, I like to just roll over once because I want to give you guys a story. The highest loss I've lost in binary is because of rollover. So for that, I'm very, very conscious about rolling over. So my rollover is just once. If it doesn't go my way, I wait for another trade, and definitely I will get to my destination. I don't want to be in a hurry and take rollover again and again and again. I did it, and that cost me a lot. A lot. When I said a lot, I lost huge amounts of capital because of that rollover issue.
Before you talk about the detail of the loss, I'm here as a pure, one of the things I did today is I deleted my brain like I am a trader and I am learning like a student that is new. So I'm just following instructions. So a lot of people on this chat, they cannot talk. But there are certain things you're saying, okay, that is piquing my interest because I know how to trade, but I'm also now someone who doesn't know how to trade. So you said rollover. If I roll over, what is the implication of a rollover? What is it used for? Okay, so if I roll over, what happens?
All right. Rolling over is the opportunity to buy more time, just like we did the double up. Now I saw that this thing is not going my way. This is a pure example. Can you guys see that one of the rollover is gone? One of the rollover is gone. This one is still active. This one is gone because I triggered this trade first and I did not roll over. But because I triggered this other trade a little bit later, so they are still giving me the opportunity to roll over the second trade, which is this one at the top here. So when I click right now, they will take the same amount you use for the first trade, which is I use $1. Now they will take extra $1 to make it total of $2. Immediately I roll over. So that means I'm buying extra 15 minutes, believing the candle will still pull down.
So on pocket option, rollover is the same amount and the same time.
Yes.
Just like double up.
Yes.
Wow, that is
not really. The difference between the double up and the rollover is the rollover give you extra 15 minutes. The double up give you the trade at this time expiration time.
Okay, beautiful. Even me, I am learning this one because I thought now, because these are the simple things that of course some people may be using pocket option and some people may be using pocket option, some other student may be using one prime option. Now you say rollover and some people are saying win. If I roll over on one prime option, even if I take the trade for 15 minutes, it only gives me 5 minutes. Okay, but here it gives me 15 minutes and take the same amount. But for other broker, it gives me, for the one prime option, it gives me 40% of the initial. So if I roll over on, so let's say I use $100 and I roll over, it will take $40 again for the rollover, not $100. So that is the difference on
the pocket option is kind of different.
Different.
Did anyone engage on the trade now, the EURGBP? I said when it break above.
I'm in profit.
Okay. I was unable to take that. So let's get back to the card JPY. So with this, these are just the things about pocket option. And I think the bad thing about pocket option, I've also used other broker, is this particular rollover option where they take 100% instead of, some broker will take 30, some will take 40. But with pocket option, they take 100% and they don't give you good time to wait before rolling over. If you take 10 minutes, exactly 5 minutes, they will take off the rollover option.
That's beautiful. If that's beautiful to note, because now if I am someone who has used another platform and you click rollover, I'll be waiting for it to close, because it normally the last set, the last quarter in the time. Okay, that is what if the last quarter is
what most broker use, but for pocket option, it doesn't work like that. 50% of the time is.
I'm about to make some real money right now. Who has took the trade Euro GBP? Go on Euro GBP. You said if it closes above, everybody should
take a 5 minutes.
And it's closed, just closed right now in profit. How many of you made profit on Euro GBP? All right, you made profit on Euro GBP. Say put profit on the chart. So that's how easy it is. Okay, put profit on the chart. All you needed to do, like I said, all you needed to do in this session was to follow instruction without emotion. Be a robot of following instruction. Don't know the goal of this call, or the goal of learning, is to experience before you understand. Am I making sense? Experience before you understand. A lot of people are trying to understand before they experience. Hence, they are waiting. Why should I trade it? Why do you say that you take it that way? You don't need all of those things. If you take it long enough, you begin to understand why. So I just took that trade right now as a new student who came here to learn, just like every one of you right now. He said, I didn't do the analysis. He did. He said, buy above. I don't know why he said he should buy above, but he said that is where he wants to trade it. And that is the instruction he gave. And all I just needed to do is to select the currency, put the amount, okay, put the time, and buy above if it closed. And if I did that, I would have won the trade, or lose the trade if we all lose the trade, or win the trade if we all win the trade. How many of you think that's amazing? Okay. So tomorrow, I'll be doing the pocket option version of rollover, because these are the two platforms we use in trading in our system. Okay. So, and I want everyone who's going to come in to understand both variations. So today, you guys now learn about double up. How many of you learned about double up? Put double up on the chart. Okay. You've learned about rollover. Put double up and rollover. That's and how you use them. Now, it may not be too clear, but you know how to click the button when they tell you to click the button. That's the most important thing. And you know the implication. So when I use the implication, what does it mean? If you double up, you are doubling your money. So you use the $100 for the trade and you click double up. It will take the trade the same time and close the same time and the same money. If you click a rollover, it will take the same money and give you another time. So if you took the trade for 50, I think I'm going to be using pocket option. I like it too. Give me one prime option. If you take a trade for 15 minutes, if you roll over, it's 5 minutes to give you.
Okay, they'll give you extra 5 minutes.
Extra 5. The rollover is always 5 minutes. So but this one is just giving me. So it gives me more time for my trade to run. I like
this will give you extra 15 minutes for the trade to run.
That's beautiful. So you guys are seeing the variation, but this one, always understand the implication. Understand risk in everything you're learning. Risk first. If I do this thing, what's the implication? Not because you want to win the trade. So I need 15 minutes. Let me take. Do you know what it will cost you if you use another 15 minutes? Sometimes it's good to just let a trade go, okay? Than to double up. If you know you don't have the chance, take another trade rather than. There are times you would need a double up more than a rollover. So as you guys get to learn all those things, we'll factor them in as you begin. When you make the decision that this was beautiful for you, we'll begin to teach you those things. So the first trade has closed.
Yes, the first trade, mine is about to close on lesson, but the second trade is still having 13 minutes to the closing time. So there's still an opportunity here because I see this guy consolidating around this area. Let me see what 1 minute is showing me. Nowadays, most time I use 1 minute as my tools for seeing what I want to see in the market, because 1 minute sometimes make the formulation even before the trade move to its destination. If we get to go back to EURO GBP, I take EURO GBP because of this consolidation. I didn't see it, but with what I saw on 5 minutes is the same thing on 1 minute. So I know that's what will happen. That is a continuation for me. This is the candle why I decided for us to take that trade, this candle. But whenever this candle appears in between these areas like these areas of consolidation, that means there's a continuation for me. Let me go to 10 minutes. It will show a little bit more better.
Okay, hold on. I know you're getting into what you're going to be doing tomorrow. Okay, so let me hold you there. Let me hold you. So today, what I want for these individuals today, okay, is to be able to learn the basics. Okay, how to buy, how to set a trade, pick a currency, how to follow instruction. So everything they need for the instruction, I wanted them to understand how to. Okay, and that's one big question I want to ask on this call right now. Was this call good? So we've made money also. So there was a training and there was a live practical. Okay, I want to ask this simple question. Would you say, irrespective of who you are, where you are, your level of fee, your age, your discipline, is this something that you can do simply by following instruction? Just with this call we did with you guys. Because that is the most important thing. That is the light we brought in. And a lot of people think trading is hard. Trading is hard when you're doing it on your own. But if you receive guidance on how to do it, what we've guided you to do today, okay, please, can you stop sharing quickly? Okay,
All right.
because understand something about learning. I really appreciate, and I really want to key in this side of the call. You know, there are levels to learning. When you are basic and you're new, pay attention to just following instruction. It makes you, excuse me. You know, I said something earlier. This is where a lot of people make big mistake in the beginning of their trading. They want to understand. You have no business understanding what you have not learned, because you can only learn what you experience. You can only understand something you have experienced. How many of you got? A lot of people fail in trading, or they don't make the right decisions, or they don't take the right actions, because you're tasking your brain on something it has not experienced. What we did on this call, we didn't come and teach you. That's why I stopped him. He wants to be showing you hard things now, and it will just confuse you. Some of you will just confuse. Nah. You just nah. All the things, all the simple buy, green, it will just leave you. What is candle close now? What is all this other? Those ones, I don't want you to begin to, you will begin to ask questions that are not even on this call. Okay? But the most important, let us do the heavy lifting by knowing where we want to buy. So we are traders, but we are also coaches. So our platforms give students an opportunity to do two things. You will be the one to make the choice. Either you want to professionally come and learn how to trade like us, or you want to come and leverage over our knowledge of trading by earning from what we know. And the third one is you want to come and do both. How many of you think any of this option is something you can do? You'd love it. So if you're busy and you have 1 hour, we have a timetable, we'll come in certain time a day. All you need to do is, you already open an account, fund the account, and just come and leverage over yes and no, buy and sell. Buy now, but sell now. And you can make money, compound over time. That is you paying, okay, for another person's experience. It's called leverage. So the goal of this call is to ask you, or to show you, that you can leverage without being the trader, and you can make money. And it's so critical in these times, ladies and gentlemen. The best traders in this environment are those who give them time to experience. When you're leveraging, you're not just making money, you're also experiencing. Do you guys know that? Because for every time you just show up and it's okay, buy. Some of you never knew. Can I tell you one truth? Some of you never knew what a rollover was and what it does. But do you know, just by experiencing it, you just learned what it is. Some of you never knew when the candle closed at a certain area. But he just said, if this candle gets to this certain area and close, and you may not have known. If someone was telling you outside of trading, okay, you know trading, if a candle close, you will not know what a candle close is. But now, just experiencing this call, and you saw the candle close above that line, oh, so that's what candle close means. Experience. Understanding will begin to come naturally when you're, but not only that, I just made money right now. Okay, is this an advantage for you? That is the goal for this call. Okay, to show you that there's an advantage to be part of a community that we trade together, and we don't just teach, we also give our students an opportunity to earn while they are learning in this amazing era of inflation. So I'm in Nigeria today. Okay, the dollar is 1,500 bucks. It means if you make an extra $10 in just 1 hour or 30 minutes or 20 minutes, 10 bucks is 15K. 100 bucks is 150K. Okay, just imagine if you're compounding this over a period of 1 month, you could earn more than you're working as a salary. Just learning a skill that can pay you within an hour, 1%, 2%. You know, that is one of the most appreciating skill sets you can learn today that could begin to compound your money. You know, Forex trading is a way to learn a skill that you can invest in real time. Okay. And with that being said, I don't know if there are questions. So tomorrow we continue. Okay. But I know you guys are giving me much more than, and that's because we decided to be details. I could say since I've been doing boot camps or training, this is one of the most detailed class that I have had. Like when I say detail, before what we do is we mind time. Today I did not mind time because I wanted everybody to learn. If you leave this call, you will know how to buy and sell. I wanted you to know the basic detail, what everything that I've showed you represent when it comes to following instruction. And I super appreciate your patience. Yes, some are not here right now, some have gone. The moment they made money, some are just here to make money. The moment we knew they made, so they're gone already. Okay. But for those of you that are still here and you like what it is that we did, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be more practical. We're not going to waste this much time tomorrow. We're just going to come tomorrow. So I could beautifully say tomorrow right now. When we log in, I will say I'm buying. Let's look at GBP USD. I'm buying. I'm doing the analysis. Don't care how I do my analysis and give you the trade. This call, this training was not to show you how I trade. This training was to show you how you can make money from me trading with you. Then when you now make the decision, you want to know how I trade and also keep making money with me, all right? You now get into the option. Tomorrow, you guys are going to know how you guys can be part of Payout Nation and join our day-to-day analysis or day-to-day trainings. So the beautiful thing with wealth, you don't have to actually trade. Me, I trade live. It means when I come live, that's when you're going to make money. Or I call the trades. Okay, now that we're launching an app, I can call the trades. So anytime you have to watch my trades to take it. But the beautiful thing right now with wealth options, even if I give you trade, you can use this option to take my trade. But I'm always telling you my own options is watch my trade because I am a trader live. But with the style of trading, you can take his trade when it calls the trade. It calls multiple trades. And you can just say, okay, I'm picking these three and you just take them. You don't, do you know the beautiful thing that you don't even have to be in the chat. You can just go, take it and leave it. We just showed you now. Okay. And you can make money. All you need is instruction. Does that make sense? Put sense on the chat. Okay. That is the goal of this call. And tomorrow we're going to have more trading session. Okay. I wouldn't say invite more of your friends. Even if you make a decision to invite more of your friends tomorrow, send them the video today. Because why? Tomorrow is trading. It's just going to be trading. Okay, no basics tomorrow. That is why so if you like this and you want your friends to be part of this, just share the video today. Wow, I experienced something today and it was powerful. All right, I just take a look at it and see if you can be part of it tomorrow for the completion. You want to know what you can do, what you need to be part of Payout Nation tomorrow, okay? And you can be part of our investors through students. You're investing in a skill that can pay you for the rest of your life, okay? You're going to get those details tomorrow. With that being said, if you have any question, just put question on the chat or raise your hand. But that's my duty to you today, and it has been a privilege. Thank you for having me. All right. Any question? For those of you that were new, for those of you that are not new, I know most of the questions. If the question is about how you can join this community, please pardon me. We'll do that tomorrow, okay? Or you can just reach back to the person who placed you on this call. But if you want that detailed explanation from myself, okay, I'm going to do that tomorrow because it's part of the package, okay?
If anybody did the rollover, the person should be about to clear that particular trade.
You share it so that the excitement will be good.
Yes, just about to clear that particular trade right now. I think with 2 minutes remaining, there's it. We took the rollover right here, remaining 2 minutes, and this is the candle. even about to reach the first entry we took.
Oh, that's beautiful. So we still have 2 minutes. 2 minutes is a long time. I mean, I know they are not going to wait. They are all watching it. So thank you. All right. Thank you. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you at the top, not from the top, because you know what they say, the bottom is too crowded. And my opinion is you don't belong there.